A new start in the hallway. Hi, I just moved in and I want to meet my neighbors today.
Welcome. I am Tom, the building manager.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I am Maya.
Nice to meet you too, Maya. How is the move going?
It is going well, but I do not know anyone here yet.
Do not worry. People in this building are friendly.
Is there a good way to say hello to everyone?
Yes. You can start with the laundry room and the garden.
That sounds easy. Are there any rules I should know?
Quiet hours start at 10 at night.
Good to know. I want to be a good neighbor.
You already sound like one.
A friendly talk in the laundry room. Hi, are you using this machine? No, it is free. You must be new here. Yes, I moved in today. I am Elena. Welcome to the building. Thank you. I am still learning where everything is. I can help. This machine takes coins or a card. Is the laundry room busy in the evening? Yes, very busy after 6. Mornings are better.
Thanks for the tip.
Do neighbors talk here often? Yes, this room is like our small meeting place. That is nice. I hope I can join the talks. Of course. Start with a smile and say hello. Questions in the shared garden. Hello, is this the shared garden?
Yes, it is. I am George.
Nice to meet you, George. I am Maya, the new neighbor.
Welcome, Maya. Do you like plants?
Yes, but I am not very good with them.
That is fine. We all learn here.
Can any neighbor use this space?
Yes, but we write our names on the garden list.
I would like to help on weekends.
Great. Saturday morning is our garden time.
Perfect. I can bring coffee for everyone.
Then you will be popular very quickly.
An invitation across the hall. Hi, you must be Maya from apartment 3B. Yes, that is me. And you are? I am Priya. I live across the hall. Nice to meet you. I hope I was not too noisy today. Not at all. Moving always makes some noise. That is a relief. I tried to finish before 10. Some neighbors are coming to my place tonight for soup. That sounds lovely. Would you like to join us? Yes, thank you. What should I bring? Just yourself. Maybe a small story about your old neighborhood. I can do that. I am happy you invited me. Feeling at home.
Maya, you look busy. How was your first day?
It was better than I expected.
Did you meet some neighbors?
Yes, Elena helped me in the laundry room.
She knows everything about the machines.
And George invited me to help in the garden.
Good. The garden brings people together.
Priya invited me to dinner tonight.
That is great news. You met many people already.
You gave me the right advice.
You did the hard part. You said hello.
Now, this building feels less strange.
Soon it will feel like home.
I think it is starting to feel like home already.